Good morning, this is Brent Crandall with the Blind Depot. This is a continuation of a video. We were out here a couple of years ago and we were covering a couple of openings for this customer right here and right here. And that was just to block the southwest sun. And that was great for the time being. And he loved it so much that we're here almost about 2 years later. And now he's decided that he would also like to cover these two openings. So that's going to help him see that TV in the corner, which is a little bit difficult to see because of the shadowing, but we're going to have everything screened off so that he can enjoy the blocking of all of that west sun while they sit down here at the table. These are universal motion screens. These particular ones, you can see those little gaps in the corners there. These ones are on cable guides. The construction of the porch didn't really lend itself to doing tracks. We use a Suntex 95 material, and that still gives us really good view to the outside. This color is a brown-black weave so that it will blend in with this arbor. And motorization by Somfy. You saw before how I operated all of those shades individually. Well, there is an option to operate them all at once. Let's go around the other side here. So that's the motion screen hardware. We used a textured black. That was the one that matched the best, and that's the one we used last time. Still waiting for the textured bronze to come out. I think that'll be a lot prettier. The only difference in these screens up here is the one on the right is dirty. So that's the older one. That's the newer one. So we're gonna go ahead and drop these things back down here and let the customer have a good time with the new shades. If you want us to come do this for your house, we'd be more than happy to. You can hit us up at our phone number, 972-644-9411, or you can reach us at our website, which is blinddepotdfw.com. And if you don't know what the DFW stands for, you probably are out of our service area. Y'all have a great afternoon. We're gonna go grab some lunch.